Hello, my name is Fidelma White and I'm the Director of the LLM Business Law at the School of Law, UCC, and I'd like to take this opportunity to talk to you about the programme. Firstly, you might ask yourself, why might I do the LLM Business Law at UCC? Well, if you have an undergraduate law degree and in the course of that degree you enjoyed doing business subjects, say for example contract law, commercial law, company law, then this programme will allow you to focus on business law, broadly defined. But the programme isn't just open to law graduates. If you have a third level qualification and professional experience in the area, then it might also be for you. So for example, if you deal with contract negotiations on a day-to-day basis, or if you work in a tech transfer office, again, you should consider this programme. What is distinctive about the programme is that it's not just an academic exercise, rather it combines business reality with relevant theoretical and policy issues, and it builds upon expertise in the law school. So many of my colleagues are leading authors in the area of banking law, credit, security, company, commercial, ADR and other areas. Also attractive is the fact that the programme is built upon small class teaching. Teaching is by seminars, usually with students, about maybe 10 to 20, 25 students per class. And assessment isn't based on exams at the end of the year, but is continuous assessment throughout the year. So your workload is spread more evenly throughout the year. Your pastoral needs are also taken care of. So as director, I set up regular one-to-one meetings with students at the programme as they progress throughout the programme, and so they can raise issues and we can talk about career plans and address any other questions they might have. At the end of the programme, students then emerge with advanced skills and knowledge in business law. So if I can talk to you a little bit about the programme itself, it comprises 90 credits for a one-year full-time course that is starting in September and following through to the following September. The taught component of the course occurs from September to December in the first semester, and then January to kind of March, April in the second semester, with most of the period from April, May to the following semester being taken up completing your dissertation. You can also take the course part-time, and so in year one you would do about 40 credits, leaving 50 credits including your dissertation in year two. And this avenue is particularly suitable to people who are in employment and trying to juggle both a job and progression or further academic studies. Within the 90 credits, whether it's by 1 year or 2 years, there are 35 core credits, or what we would call compulsory credits, which you must do, leaving you with 55 credits optional, where you can pick from a wide range of modules to choose. So just to give you a little more detail on that, on the left-hand side in blue of this slide are the core modules for the LLM Business Law. And so everyone must do a business law dissertation. This is worth 30 credits, a significant part of the programme. And here you get to choose what interests you most, and you complete a supervised dissertation whereby you get the chance to submit draft chapters and get feedback from your supervisor, and ultimately that dissertation is submitted at the very end of the LLM. At the same time, you also have to take a 5-credit module called Business Law and Practice, and this involves a series of guest seminars or guest speakers who come in to speak to the students about what life is like in practice as a lawyer working in business, or a business person working with lawyers. And so guest speakers include, for example, solicitors, barristers, in-house counsel, judges, and others, academics included. So it takes the students out of the classroom and out of the book and into the reality of doing business. Then the student has a choice beyond those core 35 credits to do 55 more credits, optional subjects. And so some of the optional subjects are listed there on the slide. They include things like intellectual property law, internet regulation, secured lending, competition law, ADR, corporate restructuring, fintech and e-commerce, to name a few. In addition, students are offered the option, if they wish, to choose some business credits, up to 10 credits. And so if you'd like to develop your business skills in economics or finance, you can take modules on financial institutions and money markets, or regulation and compliance in capital markets. A third feature of the modules on offer is that students can take, again, up to a maximum of 10 undergraduate law credits. If during the course of your undergraduate studies there was a subject that you didn't get to fit in, this is an opportunity to take up one of those subjects like commercial law, data protection law, employment law, revenue law, contemporary issues and corporate law. So as a student, there's a wide range of modules available to you, and as the director of the programme, we can talk about what modules would suit you best. In terms of career options, this is a very successful programme. The employability rates from this programme are very high. In fact, the vast majority of students go from this programme on to qualify as a solicitor. They do their FE1 exams, they study at Blackhall Place, and a significant majority end up working in due course as a solicitor in some of the medium and larger commercial law firms throughout the country. But that isn't your only option. As well as being a solicitor, you could work as a barrister, or indeed you can work in-house and not with a law firm. Many of our graduates have also gone on to work in the Big Four accounting firms in the areas of tax and company secretarial. Indeed, many of our students, having come from business, return to business, and they have worked as chief operating officers, compliance officers. Jobs are available not just in the private sector, but also in the public sector. We have graduates working with the Revenue Commissioners and with NAMA, and a number of our students stayed with us to do PhDs and are continuing with their further studies. Another candidate in recent years went to the United States to do the New York bar. And so really there's a vast range of options available to you, whether it's straight into further study or into training, graduate training, training as a solicitor or otherwise. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If you want to know more about the programme, you can find details at the link on this slide, or you can always email me at f.white@ucc.ie. Bye-bye. Thank you.